Hi. So today I was getting irritated about things like which are not in anybody's control. Kind of. This is lockdown period, and we are all struggling with some kind of situation or other. And some people are really fighting COVID, and other people are fighting with financial trouble. Um, and lot of negative circumstances. So it is not really in the control of anybody, but some people are also experiencing lot of positive experiences. How come is that? Today morning also I read about Sam Owens, who is a online marketer, and within 5 years of time he has achieved eight-figure mark of income. So that is definitely a mindset, and 5 years is too low, too little a time to have achieved that. It was no background, no other background, no financial background, no financial support from anybody, and he also didn't belong to a multi-millionaire family like that. So still he has achieved that. But today, if you want to take his course, then his business, then you have to invest a lot, and you have to have that kind of mindset to be able to dive into that kind of risk. It is a huge risk. So whether you are ready for that risk or not, or if suddenly pushed into that kind of situation, whether you will be able to withstand that kind of risk is a question mark. So that is the difference between the mindset. And so in the world of opposites, where under similar circumstances somebody is thriving and thriving exponentially, and the other person is getting deeper into trouble. Don't you see, it is not the fault of that particular situation, nothing to do with COVID situation, where some kind of problem from where he is taking advantage. It is not nothing like that. People are there already, and I really don't know whether some people are making like say fool out of us. uh, if we are getting played into their hands, it's definitely we are being fooled. So anyways, so I was kind of thinking over that. So everybody should be thinking, is it not that under a similar circumstances somebody is doing good and somebody is not able to do good? And then I started exploring my own mindset as to where do I stand. So I saw kind of lot of say question mark within myself. So I am not exactly negative, but I am not fully positive as well. I am not kind of excited about everything, or am I? And getting down with some kind of pull down because of certain kind of realities. So how do I kind of evaluate my own reality? Is another aspect of how things stand for each one of us. So, how do I evaluate my own reality? Whether it is positive, whether I trust on the goodness of things that is possible, whether I surrender enough to to welcome good things in life. So all those things matter, and where the balance comes, where can I balance all those things between negative and a positive? There has to be some balance where you one, not me alone. Each of us can stand our own ground, and from then on we can work on our positive mindset, right? So yeah, so that is where I was, and I was thinking to observe myself. Whenever this negativity is coming up, I stop it then and there and move forward. move forward with some action points. So that requires a lot of action points. So that action point is the key. That is my insight for today. Thank you. I hope it helps you and move forward in life. Thank you.